Fed holds rates steady, takes note of elevated inflation under pressure this week. The price of Bitcoin dipped to $101,800 in the moments following the decision. By James Van Straten, edited by Stephen AlpherUpdated January 29, 2025, 7:11 p.m. UTCPublished January 29, 2025, 7:05 p.m. UTC. As expected, the U.S. Federal Reserve has kept its benchmark Fed funds range rate steady at 4.25% to 4.50%, the first pause since the central bank began easing policy last September. The accompanying policy statement noted that the unemployment rate had stabilized at a low level and inflation remained somewhat elevated. The wording was hawkish as it removed reference to progress on inflation moving to its 2% target. Czech central bank considers Bitcoin reserve. Keep watching next video in 1 second. More video 0 seconds of 3 minutes. 22 seconds volume 0% press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease. Caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Press shift ? To access a list of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts enabled disabled shortcuts open, close / or play / PauseSPACEIncrease volume decrease volume seek forward seek backward captions on / OffcFullscreen / exit FullscreenfMute / UnmutemDecrease. Caption size increase caption size plus or equals seek %0-9. Next up, M2 money supply nears all-time high 01:24, subtitle settings off English font color white font opacity, 100% font size 100% font FamilyArialCharacter EdgeNoneEdge color black background opacity 50%, window color black window opacity 0%, reset white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan, 100%, 75% 50% 25% 200%, 175%, 150%, 125%, 100%, 75%, 50%, ArialCourierGeorgiaImpactLucida, ConsoleTahomaTimes new RomanTrebuchet MSVerdanaNoneRaisedDepressedUniformDrop, shadow white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan, and 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, 0%, white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan, 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, 0%, auto 406p720 p406p270 p180p. Live 00:1303:0903:22 under pressure for most of this week. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, dipped to $101,800 shortly following the news. Since the Fed's first September rate cut, the Fed funds rate has been slashed by 100 basis points. The U.S. 10-year Treasury yield, however, has gone in the opposite direction, rising to 4.6% from 3.6%. A divergence between short-term and long-term rates that rarely has been seen. That divergence, as well as a series of stronger-than-expected reports on the economy and inflation, has not been lost on the Federal. Following the bank's December meeting, Chair Jerome Powell made clear that any further rate cuts, at least for the moment, were on hold. Powell's post-meeting press conference begins shortly, at which market participants will look for further guidance about future policy.